Hello students, in the previous class we have gone through the modulus for the complex number. Now today this is a turn for the conjugate of the complex number. So we'll discuss what is the conjugate of the complex number and how it reflects. So here is this. Let z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar, this is the bar symbolic representation, this is the representation for the conjugate of the complex numbers. What it will be? It will be x minus iy. What we are doing? We are changing the sign of imaginary part iy. Instead of x plus iy, we write down x minus iy. So this is the way we can go for. For example, suppose I am writing z is equal to minus 1 plus iota. How will go for the z conjugate? This is minus 1 minus iota. What we are doing? We are changing the some sign for imaginary part. Another example, second example is there. Suppose your z is iq. This iq, we cannot write down simple minus iq. First of all, we write down the simplest form. iq is minus iota. When we'll go with the conjugate of this is a plus iota. I'm going with the third example. Z is equal to 1 minus I upon 1 plus I. And we have to write down the conjugate. What we'll do? We will first of all make it a standard form. So we rationalize it like this one. 1 minus I, 1 minus I. This will be 1 minus I square. This is 1 minus I whole square. And that will be 1 minus 2I plus I square. And that will be 1 plus 1. That will be 1 minus 2I minus 1 upon 2. This will go out, this will go out. This is minus iota. And z conjugate will be plus of iota for this. So this is z conjugate is equal to plus I for that. So what we have to do basically, when we'll go with the their conjugate, every time we have to make the complex in the standard form, and then further we'll go for what are the geometrical interpretation, how we can put it graphically. Just see that, how we can put it graphically. Suppose you are putting a complex x in this is y in the first quadrant, this is z is equal to x plus iy. When you go in the fourth quadrant, it will be z conjugate and this is x minus iy. So what is the relation between complex and the conjugate? The complex and conjugate are the object and image type relation. So it is opposite, simple opposite to change the sign of the imaginary part. What are the properties? Is there any properties for that? Yes, properties for the conjugate for the complex number. What properties? First, z conjugate will be mod of z whole square. How it is? Let z is equal to x plus iy and z, then z conjugate, as we are already aware with that, this is x minus I. When we multiply this one, z conjugate will be x square minus I square y square. This is a plus b, a minus b, and this is x square plus y square. So finally, how we can write it? We can put creativity here. We can put root and then square. Why I have put it on root? So that we can make the definition for the modulus of z. So basically, z conjugate will be mod of z whole square. Same manner, we can go with the mod z or z conjugate or simple minus z will same. As earlier I have told you, these three will be same because square root, it will be the positive. Third, z plus z conjugate, it will be twice of real of z. You can put it and you can get it. You can see that. Fourth, z1 plus z2 whole conjugate will be z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. You can also prove this one by yourself. Fifth, z1 minus z2 whole conjugate, it will be z1 conjugate minus z2 conjugate. Sixth, z1 into z2 whole conjugate will be z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. Seventh, z1 upon z2 and whole conjugate will be Z1 conjugate upon Z2 conjugate, where Z2 should not be equal to 0. And 8, Z conjugate to the conjugate will be Z. So these are the rules, these are the properties we can observe. You can prove this one, and you can just go through these results, and definitely it will be workable for you. I'm attaching few questions based on that. You just go with that. If you are having a problem, anything in problem with the properties and all, it's simply refer to me, queries with me, call me, and just go with your doubts. Thank you for today. Just